Let's see. We should both go shotguns.
Alright.
And C4. I'm waiting for you, brother.
I'm in, brother. I have no shit on my
Look at
gun,
me.
but I got C4.
Do I look Asian?
Yeah, you did. Yeah. What is the range on the shotgun? Is it realistic, or is it
Did you get the fleshy?
No.
You didn't?
No.
You got slugs?
Nope.
Oh, you got regular?
Buckshot.
Well, then you are going to be close range. I am far.
Your slugs or flechette?
Flechette.
Oh, yeah, there's the part of freedom. Oh, wow, that was an awful.
Down.
Up 2. Oh, yeah, this range is not ideal.
No, you gotta use the ones that I'm using.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna suck this much.
Come on, baby. Follow me. This way. Alright, so if we hold this, we have to look this way, where I'm looking now, and then the door to your right.
Alright, I'll take the right door.
No.
Then I'll go.
Like this entrance.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, plus keys.
Oh, grenade! Woo! I'll take over. Reload.
Yep. Alright, I'm up.
You know what? Fuck you guys.
Shit's gonna blow, get the fuck back!
I got wrecked.
Care because these guys are fucking Tom Brady accuracy. And don't bunch. That's such a bad idea. Alright. I'm gonna try and fucking. Oh shit!
Yep, right here, one of our guys is down. Hang on, going in. Reloading.
Oh no! Give me over!
Hey, I'm gonna load up!
Did you see that shit?
Yep, I'm gonna record that.
Green to green, dude, let's go!
Green to green, dude, let's go!
Oh, that dude's dead.
Oh! Wow, the wall. Wall saved him.
Oh wait, back up. They called in.
Guys,
Might wanna get-
stay inside.
I was gonna say you might want to stay inside. Yeah, let's back up.
Wow.
Find a quarter to sit in.
Oh,
Stupid dogs.
he hit the fucking.
Yep. That's a war crime right there.
Yeah, moving in.
Fuck that window up, James.
Hello, my name is Shakespeare and this is Cribs. You see to the left, I have a seat.
It's a really nice seat. Only 4 bullet holes in it.
Yeah, I put those in myself as a little decorative charm.
Cover me!
Yeah, it really improves the feng shui of the room.
Incoming!
Thanks, Doc.
We're losing Charlie! Come out again!
God damn, who's smoking up this joint?
That smoke chokes me.
Hot boxing.
Good way out of there.
Choke me, daddy.
Only my mama chokes me in a good way.
The guy walked into your fire. Fire's bad.
If he dies, he's done.
What the fuck?
I can't see it. It's not there on for me.
Yeah, don't go anywhere near the door. It's still there.
Fire! Friendly fire!
Thank you.
It's
That's
gone.
fine.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone.
Oh shit. Oh, dude.
Oh no. Oh lord. I'm glad I didn't go outside.
I like how the last thing you heard me say was, "Oh shit."
Yep.
Yeah, we can go this way.
Dudes on the
Ooh,
road.
shit.
Dudes on
Ooh shit.
the road. Dudes on the bridge. The bridge right.
I need to reload!
Nah, fuck it. Let's go in. Yo, move.
Fucking kill!
Right side. Left side.
Okay, I'm loading! New magazine!
Watch.
Friendly artillery
Watch this shit.
incoming! Shit's gonna blow!
Ah.
Back! Guys, don't stick around!
You heard him yell?
Yep. Ah!
You guys, you see that red smoke? That's
Oh.
artillery. Incoming.
Yeah, it is.
Bitch, I can't see that smoke. I'm against the fucking wall.
You up?
So good. So glad I'm motherfuckers.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Station out.
You can move.
Yeah.
I'm done now.
More of the. Thought I heard bad guys coming. Fuck that guy.
Loading! Loading!
Am I the only? Oh, okay, no.
In there. Did you know they have the M99 anti-material rifle?
Yeah, so that they had that.
We're at Delta!
Stalemate. Someone's in there. So the room that you entered in, that's the best room. That's not. I mean, that room that to their left, that entrance, that's where they come in.
I'm reloading.
Well, it's just you two guys.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine if they had the AA in here. AA.
Come get me, you
Oh!
Oh!
My last shell.
Oh, okay.
Say, change up your fucking look.
The base stung me in the hindsight.
I think I'll go with a rifle this time.
Alright, go breacher, and then we can both use the MK-18.
They said it was a
I'm going
$1 million
suppressor.
wound, but I never got no money from it.
Why did my loadout not change?
M, and then you have to hit resupply. It's above the save loadout.
It's grayed out.
Alright, so you
it's just-
sure that you...
Yeah, save
Okay,
loadout,
that-
so I think it's just because I was already in the game then. Because I already had
Oh.
been spawned in. I don't know.
Oh, I know.
As you die, I'll just take your gun.
Or...
Shit's gonna blow! Get the fuck back! Careful, explosive out! Stop
Oh, you
shooting.
hit me!
Gonna blow it! Blow! Oh, look, stop!
This-
What the hell are you doing, you motherfucker?
Yes,
I saw
love
that.
it. I'm shooting, and you walk right in front. Woo!
Left side.
They're up. They're coming up.
Hip fire, headshot.
Same entryway, or...
Artillery's being called in.
Observer to station. Roger that. They'll be there in a jiffy.
That yellow smoke.
Yo, I'm here. I'm coming in. Attacking.
Get the fuck back!
Oh, he just
Oh
murdered
wow!
his own dude.
And himself. Oh no, I was dead.
Kill
Awkward.
confirmed. Awkward.
Thanks, Ted. Much appreciated.
That's your fault. You can see the yellow smoke. You paid attention to the chat.
Moving in. Watch right. Go right. I go left. Yeah.
Roger. Reloading.
Ready?
Hang on. And reloading.
Go.
Hold on! Reloading, brother.
Go.
How do I melee
Ready?
this shit? Yeah, okay. I can't enter the window. There we go.
I'm so glad I'm on this.
Adios.
What? Right side prone. Right side prone.
Storm. Have a cleave.
We don't tolerate around here
Upstairs,
very much.
left.
Nah, Ted got
Turn around,
mounted
turn,
with the
turn,
wrong people.
There, left.
Except for us.
Watch out. Clear
We're
room.
the big slinging dick.
Securing Charlie!
Someone's coming up.
Detected when they disappeared. I was like, oh, RIP Ted.
Farm, you're damn lucky there.
Yep. He decided to punch me instead of, you know, shooting me in the face.
Hey, you gotta put 4 bullet holes in that chair right there.
No, I'd ruin the value of it.
Nah, dude, it adds
Put that puppy
functional
on
weight.
Craigslist.
Yeah.
I got
Now
you,
the
man.
police will think you're hiding your dope in it.
He's probably on the balcony here behind you as well.
Yep.
Look at you, noob. Staying scoped in. Hold R to see what your
They wear
ammo count
contacts.
looks like.
No, I know where my ammo's at right now.
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah, no, I know. Thank you.
He's
He's on the balcony behind you. Out the window. There's 2 of them out there.
not to.
Another one in the
Oh.
doorway.
Right.
Ah, damn.
Oh, nice try. Nice try.
Blew himself up.
Wow.
On Alpha!
Get me on this target.
Station, this is observer.
Fuck!
This guy down here.
Observer, this is station. Affirmative. Steel rain inbound.
I died. I died.
I seen it.
Reloading.
You let him kill me. You let him kill me.
Name. See
Why?
where you died from, man.
Hmm.
I'll paint you, brother.
Come on, baby.
Ground floor.
Whoa, shit!
What the hell?
Where are they at? I got my RPG out.
If they're coming in the ground floor, I'm clear. It's clear right now.
Okay, never mind. Our guys moved in. Okay, if you have a grenade or
right.
anything, throw it. No.
Throwing to the right.
Oh, behind you! You see this guy right here in front of me?
Yep. Very nice.
Yeah, it was aimed.
One of our guys just died.
38 seconds. Oh,
Another one of our guys just died.
I'm an RPG.
Ooh, yeah, you are.
Oh, he's on the floor, prone.
Got him.
I was reloading.
Watch the back door.
Giggity.
Seriously.
Very serious.
It'd actually be a squawk, you know what?
Okay, let's do this. Oh! Woo! Ooh, nice shot. say that because he shot that right by my fucking face.
Watch out! I'm throwing it.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Nope that way.
Reloading.
I got RPG for that.
I need a sec.
Oh, James! You got killed by a weapons cache.
I got RPG for that. Do you like my last words?
Yep.
Dude, look at my body. You see it?
Yep.
Bitch.
Hey, I'm gonna load up.
Oh, yeah, look at dude. This is what I'm gonna do. Watch. I'm gonna chuck rockets from across the way.
Nice.
Reloading.
I'm gonna shoot another one and I'm gonna resupply.
Might as well.
Where else do I see muzzle flash from?
Reloading.
2 of our guys are dead. Coming in the courtyard, I think. I saw a gun up. Yep.
Woo!
Green to green,
Okay, let's
dude.
go,
Let's
baby.
go.
Green, dude. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry, brother. Trying to get.
Woo!
Just
They're,
fucking
they are
ricochets and
sniping
shit.
your ass. Following me in, baby?
Yep.
Let's do this.
Sensi, looks like you found him.
Clear floor, clear the bottom floor.
Yep.
I'm in charge, guys.
I'm on objective.
Rather reloading this guy's down the bottom floor I'm trying to get, or is this bitch?
I'll frag it. Hey.
Charlie, secured.
Defend it, come up top.
Target attack.
Put your mask on.
Firing mortars. Take cover.
That's mortars. Stay indoors.
Tap's gonna die.
Oh, they're smoked.
God damn it. Sorry, brother.
Oh shit! There was a suicide bomber right next to you!
Oh wow.
Sorry about that. I didn't see you through the smoke.
If you need to reload, get behind me, let me know. Where's that car? Where's the technical?
It's in this building.
Found it.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh!
Oh, James!
You stood up! You stood up, bro!
Did I? I don't think I
Yeah,
did.
you stood- because you moved, you went up.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Oh, James! One right to the dome.
Don't be stupid. You guys all okay?
What'd you say? Fuck away. I swear to God. I'll do it. You poke me with that bitch of shit, I'll do it.
Alright.
Alright, smoke on objective. We'll take a less direct approach.
you not take a direct approach? What the fuck? You feeling okay? There's also artillery coming in, so like...
I was trying to be, you know, ballsy, see if I could make it inside before.
Suspended, you guys are good to go. Station out.
Hold on, I'm gonna shoot RPG inside.
Oh, changing mags.
What about you guys?
Sensi, Zen, wait up. Okay, good.
Are you guys running this tactical? I'm sorry if I keep rushing.
No. I just want to shoot RPGs, man.
Yeah, it's as tactical as running into a room with an RPG it gets.
You gotta admit. That was a boss-ass kill I just did.
Yeah, it was.
That turnaround.
Sorry about that, Jinx.
You're good, baby. Coming up to the doorway.
Oh, James. Oh, James. Oh, James.
There was a lot going up that doorway. Did you see that?
That kill feed, though. You should record that.
Alright, so I'm gonna throw RPG in here. I'm gonna throw.
Yeah, well, I mean, if you took off the cap and threw it, it would still work. So.
I want a good snipey position for this.
Watch.
Or at least last.
Oh, no one in there.
There was one guy shot in the face after you fired. He was
Oh my god, I got sniped. I got fucking sniped when I peeked.
I think I got the guy.
They're like, nah, fam. He's like, you get one shot with the RPG.
Yep.
Oh shit, did I get you?
He goes, oh shit, did I kill you? I know for a fact I killed you.
Oh!
I was the radio operator, but
Oh,
the
that's
radio
right.
operator.
Is that from the glue all, or is that from Dumbass Private? Neither.
I'll
go with Dumbass Private, though. That's fine.
Oh, shit balls. Ow.
Alright, so watch out. They're gonna be coming from the field outside, so if you want some good shot, just follow me.
Yep.
Sniper really echoes.
Oh! Woo!
Reloading!
Outside the door you just passed. Outside the door you just passed. Got
Alright,
it.
so this field to the left of me, on this other side of this wall,
Yes.
they're gonna be coming from there.
Roger.
So, yeah. Oh, this is the last point, so if you
Janky
wanna...
ass poppy field.
We're attack strike!
Upstairs, upstairs.
On your 6, then. So this engine... Oh, shit.
I got shot through a fucking wall.
No! I saw him.
Watch out, back up, Zim. Back up, Zim.
In the room. In the room.
Grenade out!
Grenade.
Technical outside. Drones.
Wow.
Ooh. Yeah. Nice.
Alright, dive. It's okay. I am moving upstairs, because fuck that.
This is the best place to be right here. Turn around, Sam.
Rockets out.
Look up.
Taking fire from the ground.
Grenade out.
Using incendiary.
Man.
You gonna call in the other one?
We're done. Exiting. Assassin out.
I've got survivor's remorse. I'm gonna jump out the window.
Do it.
Time to move! Come on!
Wow. I don't know how I survived that bottom floor shit.
It's intense, huh?
Yeah. I had to go to my pistol. I literally emptied my pistol down there.
Alright, outskirts. I haven't beat it yet, that's why.
Yeah.
Come on, you motherfuckers. Well, that's 7, so we win. That's 7 votes, so we win. Oh, okay. We win.
Democracy!
Democracy. Oh, democracy. Okay, follow me, baby.
There you go. Oh, wow. Oh!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Sorry, man.
Oops.
If it's a, if it's any consolation, I think I got the guy who was there.
Keep your heads down.
Oh, low. You are not lying about this intense shit.
Oh, this is your first time on this map,
Yep.
right? Yeah, it's fucking crazy, trust me, man.
Wow. Ah.
That was the greatest ever, dude.
I just got fucking like no scoped. Like it's fucking Stalingrad.
Oh, man.
Good luck out there, guys. Stay
Fuck! Man down!
Oh, shit.
Nice.
Securing Charlie!
Fuck that guy.
Alright, so you might...
Yeah.
You haven't,
I can't hear you. What?
I need to load!
you have incendiary?
Nope.
They're over here!
Reloading!
Follow me in. We're gonna do the same thing. Oh, shit!
Balls.
New magazine!
Did you get ammo?
I might get another one though.
Hold on!
Gun run complete. Station
That
out.
guy just.
Done!
Wow,
We
he's
got
starting
it!
out hard.
Hey! There's enemy here!
Throwing frag!
Your
Coming in.
sniper looked up at you. Can't shoot. I can't shoot. Okay.
Alright, you cover that. You cover that. You cover up there.
Yep.
And I'll come to the bottom.
I'm loading!
They're smoking it. Putting my gas mask on.
Gang, he's done his run. He's just out, okay?
Ooh, that guy made it all the way in here, huh? Oh. Bees.
Oh, our sniper's down.
Woo!
Good work! Bravo's done!
When it's 0, then we go all clear. If they don't clear it already.
They're like a little bitch.
There might be a guy to the right still. Out that door.
The guy right out that doorway to the right.
Roger. Yeah, not that guy. Fuck did
It's
he go?
cleared.
Yeah.
Alright, it gets crazy again.
Reloading!
Oh, shit on this. Oh!
Oh my goodness!
What the
I saw
fuck?
your body just drop.
Wow!
Yeah, did that command?
Sofa King.
Yeah, that commander's dead. Man, he bipped me right in the face from 42 meters away, 43 meters away.
I'll throw a grenade on objective.
Using
Never mind.
incendiary. Just a sec, reloading!
Alright, Delta's been secured!
Go! Don't die!
I should have gone with a magnified optic for this.
Kill that shit!
Oh, nigga!
Where you be?
I'm
Oh, okay.
firing. I spawned in. There was RPGs flying past my head. There was a lot. There was a lot. A lot happened.
Alright,
True story.
follow me in. Follow me
Yeah,
in.
I'm coming.
Let's go.
Man, this would be a bitch to assault in real life.
I'm loading! Yo, hey, I'm loading up!
And let me tell you, they did it in real life.
Alright,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
on Foxtrot!
Frag out! Frag
Grenade!
out! Fucking! Frag out!
Another grenade!
Loading! Yeah, I'm loading! Luke! New magazine!
Oh, on me. Oh, that pistol.
Is there anyone on point, by the way?
Yeah, I'm still on point. I'm in tactical concealment over here.
Watch as he gets shot in the face by a
I'll move
mouse.
up. I'll move up to you.
Yeah, you're alright over here. There's nobody here.
Behind this flanked.
I have my grenade launcher trained in that area.
Yeah, I'm loading! Yeah, I'm uninjured!
I'm down to like my last 10 rounds.
If I can get a shot, if I can get the window, I can shoot it. Yep. Right here.
Coming.
I'm Alpha! Hey, I'm loading!
Yeah, boy. Let's go this way.
Yes, sir.
Not me.
Nice assist there, buddy.
I was like, what the fuck? I just saw muzzle
Good
flash.
pair of pliers up here on the floor.
Alright, let's go. Let's go back the way we came, remember?
Yep. And by yep, I don't remember, but follow you. Oh yeah, now.
Yo! Hey, I'm loading up!
As soon as I pull a nade out, a guy walks in the door.
Oof.
To my sister, I believe.
Whoa, hey! Just a sec, reloading! Shit!
Wow.